What I hate most? Wasting time on side hustles that never pay off. You've tried, you've failed, and meanwhile, others are making thousands doing something you scroll past every single day. Honestly, no one tells you how they do it. They keep the secret to themselves until you figure it out the hard way. Well, I figured it out. Here's proof. This girl on Instagram promoted an Amazon product as an affiliate. One of her videos went viral, hitting 32 million views. In that video, she promoted a $180 ice cream maker. Amazon pays a 4.5% commission, meaning she makes $8.10 per sale. Now, do the math. If just 0.5% of those viewers bought, that's 160,000 sales. Guess how much she made? Over $1.2 million from one video. Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. One viral post can literally change your life. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it completely free. Not just with Amazon, but with other platforms too. Trust me, it's simpler than you think. So hit like and let's jump in. The first step is choosing a niche that actually works. Picking the wrong niche is a waste of time and effort, so you need to choose one that has high demand, good commission rates, and works well on Instagram. Now here are the top niches that perform best on Instagram. First, wealth. Second, tech and gadgets. Third, home and kitchen. Fourth, fitness and health. And finally, beauty and skincare. Now just pick one that interests you and that you'd feel confident promoting. For this example, I'm going with home and kitchen because the commission rates are usually above 4%, which is great, and there's always a high demand for these products. Alright, now that we've picked a niche, the next step is setting up our Instagram account to promote our products. Instead of using a business or brand name, go with a personal name. It feels more real and relatable. For this example, I'll use Marlo Evans because it makes the account look like a regular content creator instead of just another sales page. Next, we need a profile picture. I'll generate one using Google Gemini since it's free and looks professional. A good profile picture helps build trust, so I'll go with this one. Now that the account is created, here's the important part. We need to optimize it. If you don't set up your profile the right way, you won't get any views or sales because people won't know what you're about. So don't skip this part. I've added a free ChatGPT prompt in the description to help you create a great bio. Just enter your name and niche and it'll generate one for you. Once you have your bio, head back to Instagram and click Edit Profile. In the name field, type in your name along with a keyword related to your niche. Then, in the bio section, paste the bio you just generated. It should have a keyword related to your niche, a quick line about how you help your audience, and a call to action. Something that tells people what to do next. For now, leave the link section empty. I'll show you how to add it later. And that's it. Your profile is now fully set up, looks professional, and is ready to go. Alright, now that our Instagram account is set up, the next step is signing up for an affiliate platform where we can find products to promote and start earning commissions. I found a great free affiliate marketing platform called Fosho that lets you earn commissions by promoting products from Amazon, AliExpress, and direct-to-consumer (DTC) brands, all in one place. I've included the official website link in the description. Just click it and it'll take you straight to the sign-up page. Fosho is an AI-powered affiliate platform that makes it super easy to find and promote products, helping you monetize your Instagram content without all the hassle. Now, let me walk you through the sign-up process. Once you're on the sign-up page, start by entering your active email address. Click Send Code, check your inbox for the verification email, and enter the code you received. Next, choose a unique username for your account and create a strong password, then re-enter it to confirm. For your public display name, you can use your real name or brand name. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu, then enter your city of residence. Now, pick the main category that best fits the types of products you plan to promote. If your niche isn't listed, just select Others. Since we're using Instagram, select Social and Forum as your channel type. Then enter your Instagram handle, for example, Marlo Evans, and the full URL of your Instagram profile. In the description section, briefly explain the type of content you create and your goals. You can also use the example I provided in the description for reference. Under content sensitivity, select No, confirm that you're over 18 years old and agree to Fosho's terms of use and privacy policy. Then, just hit sign up to complete your registration. Your application usually gets reviewed within a day. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can track everything: how much you've earned, what's pending, what's already paid, and what's available for withdrawal. And over here, you can track how well your promotions are doing. You'll see things like how many clicks your links got, how many orders came in, the total sales you generated, and of course, your earned commissions. Plus, there's this section called Collaborations. That's where you keep track of all your brand stuff. You'll see how many brands you're already working with, how many partnerships you've applied for, and how many brands have actually invited you to partner with them. And here's something even better. Fosho has a referral program. If you share your unique link and someone signs up through it, you'll get $5 for every sign up. Easy money. When it's time to cash out, just head over to the Withdraw tab. You can get your money through PayPal or straight to your bank account. With most affiliate platforms, you might have to wait weeks to get your earnings, but Fosho keeps it smooth. They usually send your money within a day after you request a withdrawal. That means faster cash flow and fewer delays between your effort and your reward. Now that you know how everything works, let's talk about how you can actually make money. Inside the Fosho marketplace, there are two ways to do it. First, you can partner with brands and earn commissions when people buy their products through your links. Second, you can promote products from Amazon and AliExpress and earn commissions from every sale. Okay, so you want to start partnering with brands, right? When you hop over to the brands section, you'll see tons of companies looking for people to promote their stuff. Now here's the trick. You want to pick brands that fit your niche, the stuff you're already into. And of course, always go for the ones with higher commission rates. That's where you make the real money. For instance, let's say you're into fashion. You might see a brand offering a sweet 25% commission. That's a good deal. Once you find a brand that fits your style and has a good commission, just click those 3 little dots, hit apply, and confirm. Usually, brands are pretty quick to approve you. You can check the status of your application in the collaboration section. It'll show you if they've accepted you or if it's still pending. Now, let's say you got approved by a brand like Oclean and you want to start promoting their stuff. What you'll do is click those 3 dots again, hit view, and then follow the link to their official website. Once you're on the brand's official website, find a product that you genuinely like and think your audience would be interested in. Once you've spotted a good one, then go ahead and copy that product link. After you've got that link, head back over to Fosho and go to the link builder. Okay, in the link builder, first click Official Site. Then, for program type, choose CPS, that stands for cost per sale, meaning you get paid a commission for every purchase. Finally, select the brand you got the link from. In my case, that's Oclean. Now, paste that product link, then tick that little box and hit Get Link. This creates the unique link you'll share with your audience. Whenever someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you automatically earn a commission. All right. So the second way you can make some cash on Fosho is by promoting products from big sites like Amazon and AliExpress. They've got tons of stuff listed on Fosho, and just like with brands, you'll want to pick products that fit your niche and have good commission rates. For example, this High Life clothing steamer gives you a 15% commission through Fosho, while Amazon only gives you 3% for the same product. See the difference? If your goal is to earn more per sale, Fosho can definitely give you that edge. Once you find a product you like this steamer, what you'll do is hover your mouse over the picture and click on View on Amazon. Now, this is super important. Always pop over to the actual Amazon or AliExpress page and take a look at the reviews. You want to make sure other people like the product before you start promoting it. For this steamer, it's got a 4.8 out of 5 stars, which is really good. And the reviews are all positive, so it definitely seems like something worth sharing. Okay, so next up, you'll want to download that exact picture of the product from Amazon and save it on your computer so you know where it is. Then, hop back over to the Fosho product page and simply click Apply and then Confirm. After that, make sure to copy that special link Fosho gives you, along with the product's name, into a simple Word document, just to keep everything organized. By the way, if you don't find the product you're looking for in the Amazon section, you can also check out the AliExpress section. They have tons of products there too, and the process for getting your affiliate link is exactly the same as what I just showed you for Amazon. So now that you have your affiliate link, we can move on to the exciting part, how to actually promote those links and get people to click and buy. To promote your affiliate link, you'll need two key things: a landing page for your link, because direct linking often isn't allowed, and engaging video content to bring people to that landing page. Let's start with the landing page. Head over to a free website called Linktree. Once you're there, create a username that exactly matches your Instagram account name. On the next page, you can skip any paid options. They have a free plan that works perfectly and you don't need to upgrade. Just click Get Started on the free option. Now choose a template for your landing page. A simple, clean design like the black one can work well. Once you've selected a template, enter your exact Instagram name again and write a short bio similar to what you use on Instagram. Click Continue. You're now in the customization area where you'll add your affiliate links. But first, let's add a profile picture. Again, use the exact same profile picture you use on Instagram for consistency. You should see your profile update. Alright, to add your affiliate link, click Add. In the link area, paste the affiliate link you saved earlier. Then click Add again. The link is now added, but we need to make the layout compact as you'll likely add more links later. Click on Layout and select Classic. You'll see the links become smaller. Now let's add the product name. Copy the product name you saved and paste it next to the link you just added. Finally, add the product picture. Upload the image you downloaded earlier. You'll see your profile picture is now added, making your landing page more recognizable. Now, when people click the link in your bio, they will see your landing page looking something like this: simple and appealing, with your profile picture, name, short bio, the product image, and the product name clearly visible with a clickable button that directs visitors straight to the product page. When they click that button, it will take them directly to the product page, and if they make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Alright, now let's get this landing page onto your Instagram so people can find it. First, hit Share on Linktree. You'll see your special landing page link down there. Go ahead and copy it. Next, jump over to your Instagram app and tap Edit Profile. You'll see an option like Add Link, tap that. Then choose Add External Link. In the URL spot, just paste that Linktree link you copied. Hit Save. It might be a check mark or a Done button. Now, head back to your main Instagram profile and you should now see your new link right there in your bio. So, whenever someone clicks that link, it'll take them straight to your awesome landing page. Now that your landing page is ready, it's time to drive traffic to it. I put together a quick video myself. It took less than 15 minutes using ChatGPT and a free voiceover tool, so it cost me nothing. To make it easy for you, I recorded a step-by-step video showing exactly how I did it, and I included a free guide to walk you through the whole process. You can grab the guide from the link in the description. Totally free, no hidden costs. Just follow along and you'll be able to make videos like mine in no time. Here's the one I created as an example.
Amazon Home Finds Part 1. This little steamer has honestly made getting ready so much easier. It heats up fast and gets rid of wrinkles in seconds, even on thick fabrics. You can use it at any angle without it leaking, which is great when you're rushing and don't want to mess up your clothes. The water tank lasts long enough to do like 6 to 10 pieces, and it's small enough to throw in your bag for travel. If you hate ironing like me, this might be your new best friend. Comment shop and I'll send you the link.
Now, at the end of the video, you'll hear me say, comment shop for the product link. And here's why. Take a look at this creator. They use the same strategy, asking viewers to comment shop, and they get flooded with comments. That boosted engagement, and this allows them to send the product link directly to those interested through DMs, giving people 2 easy ways to find it: the link in the bio and a direct message. Plus, they often include relevant hashtags with that shop call to action, which seriously boosts their video's visibility. This is a tried and true way to drive engagement, so let's do the same. Now that our video is ready, let's upload it to Instagram. The best times to post are 11 AM, 2 PM, 5 PM, or 7 PM. So make sure to post during those times for the best results. When you're uploading, in the caption, write this exact line first. Right after that, add these specific viral hashtags. This combo can really help your video reach more people. Next, tap More Options and make sure Upload at Highest Quality is turned on. This will keep your video looking sharp. Once you've done that, hit share and your awesome reel will be live. Now, I really want to be honest with you here. This isn't some magic trick for instant riches. It takes a bit of time to build momentum. But once your videos start getting views, you'll see some serious engagement and sales. I've seen it myself. The key is to be consistent. Try posting at least 3 times a week with different products using this method. The more you post, the more views you'll attract. And if you want to see another video similar like this one, check out the next video. I'll meet you there.